This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and I've been a Twitter user for more than 15 years. Twitter's now called X, and today I'm going to be talking about how to create a threaded post on X in 2024. If this video helps, please subscribe and like it, and let's get started. So I'm in the Twitter desktop experience. This is for one of the accounts I have. And to create a threaded post, which used to be called a threaded tweet, here's what you do. What is happening? And you can just say testing threaded post number 1. Okay? So I've created the first post in the thread, and then I'm going to create add it by clicking the add button, which is right next to the post button, and then add another post. So I'm going to call this number 2, number 3, and so on. And one thing you can also do is you can copy and paste from another source. So for instance, if I have like an essay that I want to turn into a threaded post, I would just go back and forth and copy and paste into it. And note that you do have limits on how long the post can be on X, so just be aware of that. But then once I'm done, all I need to do is click Post All. And if you go to my profile, scroll down, here they are. Threaded post number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check out the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.